right, futures in the green here ahead of Monday's open. And of course, that follows Friday, rather bloody day and close here. And actually, this morning, the futures have continued to move to the upside. So definitely getting some rebound green arrows here today. S&P futures up 0.68%. The Dow futures are up 0.25%, 0.25%. And the Nasdaq futures leading the way higher at 1.26%. So we'll see if those green arrows hold here into the open. Now, let's take a look at some cues from last session, as well as what's going on over the weekend here. Sectors in the S&P 500 closed mixed on Friday as consumer staples, utilities, real estate, healthcare, and financials rose, while IT, consumer discretionary, materials, energy, communication services, and industrials all fell. U.S. stock futures were mixed on Monday, although they've all gone into the green now. As the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 gained, the Dow fell, but has since turned green. Over the weekend, the tensions in the Middle East escalated as President Trump said he would press Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu not to escalate tensions with Iran, but Iran and Israel have since exchanged strikes. The latest flare-up comes as U.S.-Iran negotiations continuing over ending months of conflict. Tehran has insisted that any broader agreement must include a durable ceasefire in Lebanon, where fighting between Israel and Hezbollah has continued despite diplomatic efforts. Additionally, this week, investors will be eyeing May's CPI and PPI data. Oh yeah, the SpaceX IPO too. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.58%, and the 2-year bond was at 4.19%. CME Group's Fed Watch Tool projections show that the markets are pricing in a 98% likelihood of the Federal Reserve leaving the current interest rates unchanged during the June meeting. Now, we've got several stocks in focus here for you today ahead of Monday's open. The first one is going to be Riskified, and the ticker is RSKD. It was 1.26% higher in the pre-market on Monday after it disclosed a $75 million buyback plan. The next stock on our list is going to be Nebius Group, and the ticker is NBIS. That was 2.11% higher after it announced a 2.3 billion or 1.7 billion euro investment to build out 4 AI data center sites in the UK. The next stock on our list here is going to be Ingredion. The ticker is INGR, and it was 1.95% higher as Tate & Lyle agreed to a $2.7 billion euro or $3.6 billion USD takeover by INGR. The next stock on our list is going to be AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices. It was 1.81% higher as it announced a £2 billion or 2 billion euro or a 2.66 billion investment in the UK to enhance AI research, infrastructure, and workforce development over 5 years. The last stock on our list is going to be SK Telecom. The ticker is SKM, and it gained 4.78% as it joined forces with NVIDIA, or ticker NVDA, to build Korea's gigawatt-scale AI cloud sovereign enterprise and physical AI workloads.